you.
Today we're going to make homemade cranberry sauce. Today we will provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to cook this as a family, and at the end we will provide a full recipe screenshot. Homemade cranberry sauce. This is a favorite side dish of ours. And we're going to make a nice large portion that's going to take us from the meal through all of our leftovers. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Great. So what do we have here?
Cranberries.
So we have fresh cranberries, whole cranberries. You can also use frozen, but we have 24 ounces of fresh cranberries. What's this?
Sugar.
That's right. We got sugar. What's this?
Orange peel.
An orange peel and water. So very simple. We're going to take these 24 ounces of cranberries, 2 cups of sugar, a nice large orange peel, and then a 1/4 cup or 2 ounces of water. Get it in the pan, simmer it up. At the end, you add salt and pepper to taste, maybe a little bit more sugar, but I don't think that we'll need more sugar because you're sweet enough, right? So, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to carefully pour these in. Great. Now we're going to go get these on the stove top and start simmering it down. Okay, we're on the stove top now. We got a low heat going. We're going to let this cranberry soften, the sugar dissolve, and we'll come back to this. So we've had our cranberries on over a low, medium heat. They're softening up a little bit. You see the sugars all melting through. And we're going to let this ride at a medium heat now. And the cranberries are going to start bursting. And we're just going to keep on mixing this all through. As you can tell here, the cranberries are bursting, their juices are flowing out, it's becoming more liquid, more gelatinous, and really starting to come together. So we're going to keep on cooking this down, letting it simmer. Okay, so this is looking pretty good. This is around the consistency that we really like. So actually, let me use this to show how this is coming together here. So we're at the point where, let me give it a nice little taste. This is great. This is what I like. So as we said, we used 2 cups of sugar. That's plenty sweet for us. We're also going to do a round of salt and pepper. And then you can also add a little extra pressure and squeeze out any remaining berries that are still there. But this is wonderful, and this is going to have such rich flavor. And we're going to simmer this a little bit more, then we're going to take it off the stove and let it cool, and then we're actually going to put it in the fridge overnight before we do our full tasting, because again, the flavors are going to continue to come together, and it's going to be a great dish. And as we said, this is something we make ahead of time, and this is great to have chilled as you're putting it on the table, and that way it's ready and good to go. So yeah, and look how wonderful that looks. This looks like a great relish or cranberry sauce here. So We're gonna let this ride a few more minutes and then pack it up for tomorrow. Homemade cranberry sauce. This is a dish that we make ahead. So we made this yesterday, simmered it down with cranberries and sugar and an orange peel. Remove the orange peel, put it in the fridge overnight, and this is looking great, ready to go. So are you ready to taste it?
Yes.
All right, go ahead and grab your spoon. That is good. What are your thoughts?
I like it.
You think it's good? Good. How about you?
I like the cranberry flavor.
Yeah, it's very cranberry forward. Absolutely.
It's sweet but not too tart.
Yeah, no, I think it's great. I think it's a great balance. We made a nice large portion, so we're going to be able to have this not only with the meal, but with all of our leftovers. So, ready to go. From our family to yours.
Happy Thanksgiving! Boo boopy doo, it's DadBQ, the family-friendly cooking show.
Thanks for watching. Comment down below if there is something you would like us to teach you to make, or if you have a delicious dish that you would like to potentially have featured on DadBQ. We are building a family-friendly cooking community that we want you to join. First step to joining that community, like, comment, and subscribe, and visit us at dadbq.com.